Okay, do a quick demo. So there's plenty out there. And a Leatherman Super Tool 300. I was comparing that to the multitasker Series 3. Leatherman's a little bit longer. Thickness, they're about the same. It's got a nice pocket clip. That's something Leatherman should put on their Super Tool. It's a real nice pocket clip, like a multitasker. Okay, open it up. Now this one opens up super smooth. I mean, I could do it one hand, not a problem. The wire cutter's replaceable, fairly large. Nice plier heads, as you can see. And this is the multitasker. Opening it one hand is a little tough, but I'm sure in time it'll loosen. The teeth on this thing are just excellent. Unbelievable. The gripping that these things have and how smooth they are. I mean, it's real smooth. You see the wire cutters right there. They're a little smaller than Leatherman's, not much. And as you see, Leatherman, their plier heads don't quite as close as well as those other ones do. Still very nice for Leatherman. The tools. It's got a nice knife, nice little knife. Not too bad. Couple different size flatheads, small, medium, a reamer. There's a lanyard, and down in here, there's a file. Right there. It's got a nice ruler on it. Okay. This side here, it's got another nice serrated knife for cutting heavy duty stuff. The Leatherman came new. Tools were fairly easy to open. Another smaller flathead, Phillips, can opener, also bottle opener, and right there's also a wire stripper. There's a knife. One thing I like about the Leatherman, got these indents so you can open the tools access easy if you got gloves on. Very easy, simple to open, very nice. The only thing I don't care is for the plier heads. They could have made those a little better. It's got a ruler on both sides. Both of them lock. If I can compare this knife. Okay, Leatherman knife. And the multitasker tool, the tools are all accessed on the outside. So again, you gotta close it. See the difference between the plier heads, the multitasker, and the Leatherman. Leatherman, multitasker. Okay. The multitasker is very nice. I like the plier heads, are excellent. If you check, I don't know if you can see it on the inside. No. Right in here, they got like little brass inserts they use. Okay. Again, I'll open this, compare this. This knife is just unbelievable. along with the pocket clip. I mean, compare this knife to the Leatherman knife, which is supposed to be industrial. I go with the multitasker on the knife. Big difference. That's the kind of knife Leatherman should use. And the multitasker. Series 3 multi-tool. Very nice. It is kind of heavy. It's got some weight to it compared to the Leatherman. The Leatherman is lighter compared to this. And again, the tools on here. There. It's got a cleaner. The knife. Flip it over on the other side. Lighting in here ain't the greatest. Bit driver. Very nice. I liked it. Wrench. Different size wrenches. And let's see. This one. Kind of stiff. It's got one flat head. The only thing I like to see in a multitasker is maybe a smaller flat head and a Phillips put on there. Pocket clip is extremely nice. So there's the difference between the multitasker tool series 3 and the Leatherman. Okay, when I got this, it also came with a bunch of bits. Phillips flathead, stars, Allen key. I mean, it came with a bunch of bits, which is very nice. The only there's really nowhere to store it with the knife, unless you order a pouch and you keep them with the thing, the multi-tool. This is comparing these for industrial use. I'm going to give them a try, see what happens. They will take a beating, see which one the company wants to purchase. It's going to be up to the company. I'm just doing a review for them and see what the guys at the company like. Industrial use, the Leatherman will probably do a little better. It's because it has more on it. Multitasker's got a nice knife, but again, the bits, I'm sure they're going to get lost and whatnot. This is a multi, got a pocket clip. Leatherman came with a Leatherman case. Leather case. Nice big stitch. Nylon on the bottom. The only thing about the Leatherman case that I do not like is once you put the tool in there, okay, put the tool in there, snap it closed. Okay, it's got a hole on the bottom so you can leave the pliers open and put them away in the case. This case is flimsy. It's got nylon here on the side, and you see if I go to sit down or if it decides to get caught on something, this tool can easily just pop right out, just like that. And then now you're gonna run, do whatever you gotta do, and before you know it, that tool, you're gonna lose it. It's the only thing I don't like about this Leatherman case. Same thing with this side. There's just, with that nylon, too much of a chance of losing the tool. out it comes. So again, the multitasker's got a real nice heavy duty pocket clip. Okay, awesome pliers. Pliers are unbelievable if you use those every day. Nice big knife. And downside Leatherman is it's got a smaller knife. Pliers ain't as made as well. It's got openings there and there, which is real nice if you got gloves on and you gotta take off the gloves. All in all, they're both excellent multi-tools. So there's a Leatherman and a multitasker. I would say this is excellent for more industrial, also for military use. It just has a lot more features on it than the multitasker. But if I really had to say though which one would last longer, I mean, getting punished and beat and everything else, I would have to definitely go with the multitasker. Okay, and like I says, it's got a little more weight to it. I'm sure you can purchase a case for it if you wanted to keep it on your side. The opening and closing, I mean, is super smooth. It's unbelievable. It's got some mean teeth. Those could do some damage. It just closes perfect. Unbelievably perfect. And again, the Leatherman, again, I can open it one hand. It's very smooth. Teeth on it, just, it doesn't line up at all. You see right through it. The teeth, the plier heads are about the same size. There's this thickness. Thickness is about the same. Like I said, Leatherman's got more. Leatherman has a lot more built-in tools. Flatheads, Phillips, files, saws, can openers, reamers. I mean, even this would be excellent for military use. Lots and lots of options on here. They just need to put a pocket clip similar to the it's got bearing. The movement is just, I can't explain this movement. It's just unbelievable. Super nice. So it's going to be a tough call. Give it a few months and see what the guy's like. Like I says, it's kind of stiff. I'm sure it'll loosen up. Like I says, these are kind of they got stars, torques, so I'm sure you can loosen them up, make it a little nicer. Quality of steel is here. That's probably why it's a little more heavier. Probably use a lot better steel. Knife, like I says, is very nice, very sharp. Thumb stud, and it does have a liner lock. Once you open it, the liner lock is down in here. Push it over and close the knife. For the Leatherman, it's got a lock here you push down. So once you open the blade, see those slats right there, and then they just lock into place. Push the button down. And that's my comparison.